I went in, I knew that the witnesses, so I cruised in, you're not filming this, I cruised in like to pretend I was towing away.
I wanted to change the structure, this is another thing we're changing, of the team huddle, so to go in with the idea of the boards, make everybody know what's going on, and yeah. So the team huddle we're changing so that we're going to go around and everybody just tells everybody what they're doing, like what you've got on and where your coffee table book is at, what they're having networking events, when we've got the truck run board and all that sort of stuff, that's what you'd be saying.
Last week, Steve.
Yeah, boy. Back to school.
We have an install in Paddington this morning, so that's what we're loading up now, and then we'll come back here and load up for our second one, which is Oxley, which is kind of not too far from here. So 2 installs, and then we'll finish with a pack up later today.
Oh, we're doing selections for tomorrow. Candy's got a job on and I've chosen the furniture, so we're just running through it all. I'm just looking at the photos of what's coming back today, so we're just seeing if we can use anything in the furniture for tomorrow. So if we have a pack up come back, and if we've got an install the next day or the same day and a similar size, same colour, but in a very different suburb, we're happy to take pieces across. It saves time when selecting, that sort of thing. But if it was with the same agent or in the same suburb, we wouldn't do it. We'd change it. So in this case, we're going from East Brisbane to Ipswich. So there's enough of a gap there that we can make it work.
So Russ, how's your first day, mate?
It's been good, mate.
Yeah.
Real good, yeah. Pretty cruisy, couple of jobs, good access. Nothing
It was a
too
big
stressful.
day for your first day.
Big day, mate, but nothing we can't handle.
So what's your name and where'd you grow up?
My name's Russ, and I grew up on the northern beaches in Sydney, mate.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Probably to fly.
Driving ability out of 10.
Oh, mate, it's got to be a 9 or a 10, I'd say.
Favourite movie?
Favourite movie? Forrest Gump.
Tea or coffee?
It's a good question, mate. My family's English, so I grew up with tea pretty much every night. So I'd probably have to say I'm a tea person.
Morning or night?
Definitely night.
Winter or summer?
Definitely summer.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Beer or wine?
Beer.
And last important question, pineapple on pizza, yes or no?
Yes, mate, absolutely.
He's a pineapple on pizza guy. I forgot to ask that as part of the interview. Damn it. Is it too late? Is there a cooling off period?
Still on my probation, so.
Thanks, mate. We've got a decent size install. Russell, myself and Jake on this one, all hands on deck. I think 2 stylists out there, so we should be able to crack it out pretty quick. Come back and reload for the next one today. We have another install at goodness knows where. I haven't looked at the calendar, but I know there's another one.
We have Chloe here from Stage My Home, up from Canberra for the day. So just following us around, what are you hoping to get out of today?
Today I'm looking to learn how you operate the warehouse, what your team does, how everything comes in and out. I'm very interested in that. Also very interested in learning about, I guess, quoting, how to price things.
So you're very similar to how our structure too. So you own your own furniture. Husband and wife team too, which is always fun. And similar age, everything, similar thoughts about business, all of that thing is very, very similar.
Yes, and that's another big thing. I'm very interested in growth. So how do I get my business to be like yours? Because I think what Foxy's doing here is amazing. So how do I get to that point?
Hopefully we have answers on how to scale. And that just didn't happen. I'll let you know what we did and we'll go from there.
Yeah, completely.
All right, awesome.
So Chloe and Matt have just left. How was today, Phoebes and Jake?
It was awesome. Having people here, Stage My Home, they actually have things in place that we don't and that we've been looking into to get into the business. So being able to ask her questions about that.
To see somebody else react the way that they do to the way we've done it and that we're willing to share kind of makes you stop and go, oh, well, you know, we probably don't appreciate that stuff as much as maybe we should.
So that's our second visitor. So we've had Saskia from Newcastle and Chloe and Matt from Canberra. Would you like to have more people come and visit?
Oh yeah, for sure. We're actually putting a title to it. We're going to call it the Foxy Exchange.
What we get out of it is information, but also
Podcast.
We get content because we like to have video of it. We like to do a podcast. We ask questions back and forth. So that's we're inviting people here as part of the Foxy Exchange program.
And it's not just tell them how to do it, it's just to have a chat and show them how we do it, which is not the way to do it. It's just
One way to do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to get my truck license today. That's the plan.
You're going to attempt to.
I'm going to get it. That's what's going to happen. I really don't want to have to do a video later that says I didn't, so see how we go. Not a lot for me. It's a 5-hour thing by the time you do your kind of lesson beforehand and then the test, but the guys are off now, off to a pack up, and then we actually get in the truck service. So truck's having a quiet day and probably just do a bit around here, a bit of cleaning, bit of prep for tomorrow.
But if we keep their bed is a king. Just for our preferences. So it probably looks better than the king, right? But yeah, because it's quite big, like it's massive. Hey, how you going? How'd you go?
Yeah, got it.
You did?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Passed.
Hey?
All passed, easy.
Easy, hey? That's great. We've got a truck driver. Considering losing our truck driver now. We've got a really big install on tomorrow. A nice big 5-bed, 3 living, 2 outdoor one, so all team are heading to that one. And new build, which is nice. And then Friday, a little install and a colour consult and farewell drinks for Steve. It's sad to see him go. I've been working alongside him for 2.5 years, so he was the very first removalist we used and then they hadn't changed. So he's been there for every install for me. Yeah, it's sad to see him go. Won't be quite the same without him, but onwards and upwards, they say.
Cameras up there. Where are we? And so we're in Rochelle for an install. How many bedrooms is this one?
5 beds.
It's a huge install.
Beautiful house.
So we're just waiting on the guys to arrive now.
Yep.
Been waiting a while.
With the furniture and
Surely any minute. It will be a very expensive home, so we picked all of our really, really lush, plush kind of stuff. This is a very upmarket house.
Yeah.
And it's got 3 living and 5 bedrooms, so just making sure it all flows, but each space is different enough that it all works together.
And I think it's 2 truckloads as well.
Yeah, always got to come back
Heaps of
twice.
stuff.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
holy cow.
So we're gonna drop off the first load and then go and then come back.
Yeah. I'm gonna
That's
go
what's
edit.
taking them so long to get the house.
I'm gonna go edit Foxy TV, but who's gonna take some photos? Put it up there, man. Cool. All right. Have fun.